This conference will now be recorded.
So you have men, machine, material, money, and method. Then planning, you have HR, engineering, finance, and different departments. So remember, SAP is going to be one of the premier ERP. The other ERPs have 30% market share, and SAP is coming up with 70% market share. So I'm going to discuss about various scenarios in your purchasing. So this is where the end-to-end cycle. Just note down this. Like this procurement. Take it as cycle itself. End-to-end. So note on this. This is a very important initial diagram. Note on this procurement cycle. So it has 8 steps. It starts with purchase requisition. Second is source determination. Third is vendor. Four is PO. Just take these 8 steps. Then I'll go back to the basics. How to log in, what is and all these things I'll tell you. But this is the total procurement cycle. Note on this, Nisha and Sai. You can note on this.
Yeah.
Sir, noted. We can move ahead.
Okay. Right. So navigation wise, even Sai, you are okay, right? Do I need to explain about SAP logon and all?
Sorry?
You have idea on SAP logon?
No, actually, my system was logged off. So
No, no. Have you ever used SAP as an end user or something?
yeah, I'm using SAP as end user in FI, not
Okay,
in MM.
okay, okay. Got your point. Okay. So as a functional consultant, when you are trying to use this SAP, so we need to understand first and foremost thing is we have to build an organization structure. So just note down this. As a functional consultant, we deal with three types of data. One is control data, where we have to map the business of your customer into SAP and or any setting done in IMG. IMG stands for implementation guide. Only consultants will have access to IMG, right? So that's why we call it as control data. Master data. Master data is nothing but SAP easy access is equal to customer master data, vendor master data, and material master data. And also we have price master. So price master end users work here, consultants need to test this data. Every point you need to write here, okay? And transaction data is equal to control data plus master data, daily business at factory, at depot, at distributor, at purchasing group, at retailer, etc. We use this transaction means everyday transaction. Then we have this purchase order. For example, if I want to create a purchase order, first I have to use control data. Then I have to use master data, which is vendor master and also middle master and also price master. So these are all things we use to create a. So note down this. As a functional consultant, I want you to note down till this place. And pin to pin you write it.
Done, sir.
Site.
Oh, wait. 1 minute.
If you don't understand this, you'll not understand the next level. That is the enterprise structure, which I'll be explaining.
Yeah, I'm done.
So, if you can see this, control data means enterprise structure or organization structure. It's nothing but it's a company's business structure is called enterprise structure here. So here, note on this definition. Enterprise structure will help you to portray your company structure according to accounting, logistics, and HR organization units. But logistics means SD, MM, PP, QM, PS, TM. Note on this. Enterprise structure will help you to portray your company structure.
Done, sir.
Sai, you are done.
Yeah, I'm done.
So then here comes the organization structure, what we are calling as, because as we just now, what is the definition of org structure? It is a combination of, it is a representation of a company, right? With all departments. What are those departments? Accounting
Department.
Accounting, logistics, and HR.
and HR. So logistics is a
Yeah.
combination of
MMSD, PP, PS.
PP, SD,
and all
QM,
this put
and
together, isn't it? So here you can see this. This is FI. This is SD. This is CO. This is PP. And this is SD. And this is again MM. So everything is coming up in the all departments. So in the business side, take this org structures in SAP. Business side, we have enterprises, we have financial accounting, we have cost accounting, and in the org units. So this one we need to go and customize in the SAP system. So you can mute yourself. There's a lot of noise from your end.
Yeah, yeah,
So
okay.
org structures in SAP is a combination of both business and org units. So when I am trying to, can you see my screen? Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So if you want to go to enterprise structure, generally you have to go to SPRO. That's called SAP Project Reference Object. Write this. For control data, we need to use the following T code SPRO. SAP
SPO stand for what? Stands for.
SAP Project Reference Object. Done?
Yeah, done.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes,
So actually, this is all based on the cost accounting, right?
Yeah. Obviously, accounting is the headquarter, right?
Mm.
Always
Yeah.
everything will go into finance.
Actually, material requisition and purchasing order,
Purchase
invoices,
requisition
these
come under
all come
MM
into
module.
cost. Material like
MM module.
material cost.
And middle management.
Yeah.
From purchase requisition till the invoice verification, all are an MM module. So here,
Yeah.
as a functional consultant, you'll be you'll only be working in MM related area here, but you also have to have a strong idea on what is this financial accounting, what is
Financial
this,
account.
what is this MM,
Material.
what is the logistics general. You write this in enterprise structure definition. In enterprise structure, and this IMG stands for implementation guide. Whenever I'm opening the screen, you always write a side heading called IMG. Over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So under the enterprise structure definition, you have the following. You can see this. There are following folders: financial accounting, controlling, logistics general, SD, MM, LE, PM. No need of HRM, but note down all this still PM. We will not work in all these things, but you'll have an idea on this.
So we can move ahead.
Okay. Then take this very important diagram. I'm going to explain you. Org structures in SAP. This is the normal non-SAP business, and this is the SAP org units. Note on this. I'll explain you what is this.
Done, sir.
So here, just note on this. Client is installed automatically. Client is installed automatically by basis consultant. By basis consultant. It is a 3-digit number. It's a 3-digit number like 100, 200, 300, etc. So we don't have any role in that. Okay, right. Company code is created by company code and controlling area is created by FICO consultant. over, right. Sales organization and distribution channel are created by SD consultant. SD consultant. Plant and storage location are created by PPMM consultant. PPMM consultant.
The storage locations.
Hello. Yeah,
The
both.
storage. Okay.
Both. PPMM. So that means inventory will MM will play a role. Plant, mostly production people should play a role there. Got it?
Yes.
Sir,
Right.
hello. The
Yeah.
code given for plant is 1000 and 1100. Okay, but the storage locations are different.
Yeah. Numbers are different. Obviously.
Is that for subsidiaries or for the main company?
Main, see, basically there is no significance of this number. This is the first plant, and this is the second plant. This is the third This is the first location, second location.
Okay,
These
okay.
two are under
These
this
are
plant in Germany. In Germany, Hamburg, and Germany, Berlin. Like that, two cities they have plants. But in this
okay,
plant,
okay.
these two storage locations will get the stock from this plant. So this is linked to this plant, and this plant is linked to this
Main
company code.
company.
This company
Yeah.
code is linked to plant. That's what
Client,
they're
yeah.
saying. Storage location cannot separately be created. It is always under a plant. And
Okay, okay.
plant cannot be there. It is always at the company code level.
Okay.
Then we can move ahead.
Okay. So what happens here? So you should have a clarity that in the non-SAP department, the enterprise is called a client here, and the financial department is always called a company code, and sales organization. So all these things are very well organized, and each one of them have its own significance. If you see this, this is MM specific. As an MM consultant, I should be more clear on what is this company code, what is this plant, and what is the storage location. So client is the group headquarter. Company code is subsidiaries. And under the subsidiaries, you can have as many number of plants. Under the plant, you can have a storage location.
So based on the company code, plants will vary. That's it.
Absolutely, absolutely. Because suppose now Bajaj India Limited is there. So Bajaj Autos is having only one plant, but Bajaj two wheelers will have
Two
two
plants.
plants. So, but both the accounts are different. But group company is
Mm-hmm.
Bajaj.
Okay. Parent company is Bajaj.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Because
company codes are depend on based on subsidiaries.
subsidiaries, yeah. That means on which you have to prepare separate balance sheet because
Yeah. Yeah.
the three-wheeler vehicles and two-wheeler vehicles, they don't belong to same kind of taxation. They don't have
Yeah.
same kind of customers. And they don't
Plus
have the
different
same kind of
company to
Okay,
this.
clear on this, isn't it? Three-wheeler dealers and two-wheeler dealers are different.
Mm.
So that's the reason, though the company is one, subsidiaries are two. So note on
Huh.
this.
No. I'm asking, does intercompany accounting is related to this or not?
No. Don't get confused. There is no intercompany here. I am only talking about subsidiaries. Subsidiary is not intercompany. That's a different
Yeah.
topic altogether. We'll discuss later. It is very plain.
Okay.
There is no big science here. Two subsidiary
Okay.
companies, not intercompany. The wheels of autos are not needed in two wheelers. So why intercompany? No. Don't get
Okay.
into
Okay.
intercompany. Okay.
Okay.
On that example, I said Bajaj India Limited, Bajaj three wheelers and Bajaj two wheelers. Two wheeler have two plants and three wheelers has one plant and only one storage location because limited stocks. But this one is varied, they go with 10,000, 20,000 vehicles per annum.
Sir, I have a query.
Go ahead.
So plant can be a purchasing organization.
Plant is different from purchase organization, but we will. There's the next slide which you will see that.
Okay, okay.
Here it is. Purchase organization is a separate entry. Over? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the last screen which we are going to discuss today. This is where we have the group company, the company codes. In between we have this purchase organizations. In the next session I will discuss about what is this purchase organization, what is, because you can see the dotted lines. That means the purchase organization we assign it to both company code and also plant physically. Dotted line is nothing but plant is already associated with company code if you see the previous slide, isn't it?
Yes.
That's what it says remotely, it is already linked. I don't, dotted line means I don't need to again separately assign them here. But purchase organization I have to assign both sides, both to company code and here also the same story. Because one purchase organization can control many plants. And see this 0003, it is this 0002 is also interested in these products. 0003 is also interested in these products. Note on this diagram. We will see how to customize them. First, we'll understand
Yeah,
conceptually what are this.
I didn't get it. Does purchase organization and plants are different?
Yeah, there is no way connection. Purchase organization is a responsible company or a group of
Means that
people.
is third party. That is third party. That is no relation
No,
between the
it's not
company
purchase
and the
organization,
plant.
not third party. No. Purchase organization is not third party. It
Then
is my internal department which will have purchasing head. There will be a manager for
okay,
that
okay. So
who heads the purchase organization.
subsidiary company means raise in purchase order to the purchase organization
Because we cannot create a purchase order without having.
without having a plant. So can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Got a call. Yes.
Yeah. What is the difference between purchase organization and the plant?
See, plant is a manufacturing place. Purchase organization is only a virtual team who is
Okay.
responsible to sell to buy the products. That means, whenever
The
I have
purchase.
a plant, what is my job? My job is to
To manufacture the
procure,
product.
procure the stock from other vendors, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this purchase organization will take care about the procurement.
Oh, okay, fine.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
So that is what purchase organization is different. And plant is a place of tomorrow I'll give you definitions,
Manufacturing,
okay?
that is a
Then you will
manufacturing plant, and
understand.
purchase
Yeah.
organization will do the procurement process. That's it.
Absolutely. Blindly you will not understand because I'll be giving you the pin to pin definitions of this. Then only you'll understand what is this company code, what is the PR. In next session I am going to do that.
Okay.
Okay, so let's catch up tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, sir, fine.
Sending you the materials through Gmail. Okay.
Will you provide physical material or soft copies?
I'll give you soft copies, no physical material.
No
Many
physical
books are there.
materials.
Physical material is not possible.
Okay, fine.
Oh.